learn all about the celery root, or celeriac as other people call it. It is the root of a stalk of celery, and it tastes really good roasted or mashed. I'm going to mash it tonight because I'm developing a new recipe, some comfort food bowls. Here's how you cut this little thing up. Take a decent sized knife, I like to cut the ends off first. That way it can be stable. Then you take your knife and you just trim off this root area, and underneath provides you with this really yummy white flesh. It kind of looks like a potato. You can chop this up, put it in some water, boil it, and then blend it with your blender with a little bit of butter, and I use almond milk, and it makes a really great mashed celery root like a potato. And let's smell it. It smells like celery. What do you expect it to smell like? So here's your naked celery root and your non-naked celery root. You would think that this would taste like celery, but it really doesn't. It kind of tastes like a potato, just a little bit sweeter. So try celery root in your next gratin or mashed potato dish that you're going to serve maybe during the holiday season.